up this floor now DIYs. So it's coming out like a real bathroom should, with the 12x6 tile. That cut at the doorway was the hardest. Once I had that done, I actually did it with cardboard, so it worked out well. I started actually marking it like I normally do, but then I went to the cardboard and I picked up all my mistakes, so I would have made a huge stuff up, but the cardboard got it right. So we're home and hose. I'll be finished it soon, this, and on to the next. I just need a little bit of water. So you squash it into your lines. Give it a little bit of time to dry off. No, I'm just talking to the camera, mate. That's all right. Whereas in a two-storey house, you've got a hassle of cutting. And I was very lucky here because the shower is nice and big, and I was able to cut in there using water, a wet sponge, which kept down the dust. I was lucky I didn't have to run downstairs all the time. It worked out well. I was lucky. Sometimes that's the way it goes. Bit of luck sometimes. I got a new sponge on my wash boy because the last job I was doing was black grout, so you ditch that sponge or put it aside. And the owner now can do a bit of painting, titivate things up a tad. I'll run around with my silicone. Good to go. Okay, I'll see you soon. See ya, bye. It's Chriso. Don't forget, carry on watching my channel, people, and you'll learn. Every video that I bring out, or every short, there's something to learn. See ya, bye.